Life in Redington Beach, Florida, is all about sunshine, sea breezes, and coastal comfort. But while the beachside lifestyle has its perks, the same warm climate and salty air that make this area so appealing can also take a toll on your home, especially your doors. Over time, exposure to humidity, heat, and salt can cause traditional doors to warp, fade, or lose their ability to insulate properly. That's why many homeowners are investing in energy-efficient door replacements. Not only do these modern doors improve your home's comfort and appearance, but they also help lower utility costs and protect against the unique environmental challenges of coastal living. Here's a closer look at the best energy-efficient door replacement options for Redington Beach homes and how they can make your home more sustainable and stylish. The benefits of energy-efficient doors. Before diving into the options, it's important to understand why energy-efficient doors are a worthwhile investment for Redington Beach homeowners. These doors are specifically designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in the rare cooler months. The benefits include lower energy bills. Improved insulation reduces the strain on your air conditioning system. Enhanced comfort. Consistent indoor temperatures mean no more hot or drafty spots. Environmental sustainability. Reduced energy consumption helps lower your carbon footprint. Increased durability. High-quality materials resist warping, corrosion, and moisture damage common in coastal environments. By choosing the right energy-efficient door, you'll create a more comfortable home while also saving money long-term. Fiberglass doors. Durable and efficient for Redington Beach's coastal climate, fiberglass doors are among the best choices for energy efficiency and longevity. Fiberglass is highly resistant to humidity, salt air, and temperature fluctuations, all major factors that cause wood or metal doors to deteriorate over time. Fiberglass doors feature insulated cores that reduce heat transfer, keeping your home's temperature stable even on the hottest summer days. Many models also include low-E glass panels that let in natural light while reflecting infrared heat. Additionally, fiberglass doors can mimic the look of real wood, offering the same aesthetic appeal without the upkeep. For homeowners who love coastal or traditional styles, this option delivers both beauty and performance. Steel doors. Security meets efficiency. If security is a top concern, steel doors are a great option that doesn't compromise on energy efficiency. These doors feature foam insulation cores that provide excellent thermal protection, helping reduce energy loss through your entryway. Modern steel doors are coated with protective finishes to prevent rust and corrosion from salty air, ideal for seaside properties. They also offer superior impact resistance, which can be beneficial during storm season. For homeowners who prefer a sleek, modern appearance, steel doors come in a variety of finishes and colors that complement both contemporary and coastal home designs. Energy-efficient patio doors. Patio doors are a focal point of many Redington Beach homes, offering beautiful views of the ocean or backyard landscapes. However, older sliding or French doors can be a major source of energy loss. Upgrading to energy-efficient patio doors with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills can dramatically improve insulation. These advanced glazing features minimize heat gain, keeping your indoor spaces cool even when the Florida sun is shining bright. Homeowners can choose between sliding glass doors for space-saving convenience or French-style doors for a classic, elegant look. Both options combine style with superior performance when professionally installed. Proper installation. The key to efficiency. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform as expected without proper installation. Gaps, misalignments, and poor sealing can all lead to air leaks, defeating the purpose of your investment. By choosing professional installers familiar with Redington Beach's climate, you ensure your new door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and provides maximum energy savings. Experts also use high-quality weather stripping and insulation to keep out humidity, salt, and drafts. A long-term investment in comfort and value. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient models not only saves money on energy bills, it also boosts property value and curb appeal. Homebuyers in Redington Beach increasingly look for homes with modern, eco-friendly features that offer comfort and lower utility costs. Energy-efficient doors are an investment that pays off in multiple ways: lower monthly expenses, reduced maintenance, and a home that stays beautiful and comfortable year-round. Final thoughts for homeowners in Redington Beach: choosing the right energy-efficient door replacement can transform your living experience. Whether you opt for fiberglass, steel, or upgraded patio doors, each option offers superior insulation, durability, and style tailored to Florida's coastal climate. With professional installation, your new doors will not only stand strong against humidity and salt air but also keep your home comfortable and energy efficient for years to come. If you're ready to enhance your home's performance and enjoy lasting savings, it's time to explore energy-efficient door replacement options designed for Redington Beach living, where comfort meets coastal resilience.